Hey guys, this is Archimedes Tutor and we're going to be starting polynomials. So of course it makes sense to start off with the definition of a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression made of one or more terms separated by addition and/or subtraction operators. See the word polynomial. Poly, the prefix meaning multiple, and nomial meaning term. So multiple terms. Now we're going to be going over the different types of polynomials. So our first one is monomial. It has one term. So for example, it can be 5 or y or 3x or 4x squared. The second one is binomial. For example, it has two terms. For example, 5y plus 3 or 2x squared plus 4x, etc. Trinomial with three terms: 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, or something like 4x to the power of 3 plus 1 plus x. Polynomial, more than four or more terms, sorry. Can be 4x plus 3 plus 2y plus x squared. There we go. And I just want to point out that you can call something like 5y plus 3y a binomial, since it can be simplified to become a monomial. So the prefixes are pretty easy to remember. Mono meaning 1, bi meaning 2, tri meaning 3, and poly meaning multiple. Technically, I guess that every number or variable can be a polynomial. And for example, you can notice that something like this is a binomial since there are two terms, 5y and 3, and it's separated by an addition operator. So let's get some basic practice with adding and subtracting polynomials. The first question is 4y plus 3 minus 2y minus 4 in brackets. So we'll just open up the brackets and rewrite 4y plus 3 minus 2y. Now it will be plus 4 since negative and negative cancel out to become positive, so it'll be plus 4. That's a common mistake most students make. So now we have 4y plus 3 minus 2y plus 4. So we'll just pair up the like terms, 4y minus 2y and plus 3 plus 4. And when we simplify, we should get 2y plus 7. Yep. Second question, 32y to the power 4 plus y squared plus 3y plus, in brackets, 3y squared minus 2y. Open up the brackets once more, and we have 32y to the power 4 plus y squared plus 3y plus 3y squared minus 2y. And so our like terms are here, y squared, and here, 3y squared, and 3y and negative 2y. Simplify it to 34y to the power 4 plus 4y squared minus y. Now it's important to put it in order, such as where it has the highest exponent. So an exponent of 4 goes first, followed by an exponent of 2, followed by an exponent of 1. Number 3, we have 4a to the power 4 plus 5 in brackets minus, in brackets, 2a to the power 4 minus 1. So again, we'll open up the brackets. 4a to the power 4 plus 5 minus 2a to the power 4 plus 1. Negative and negative cancel out to make positive. Collect like terms, 4y 4a to the power of 4 minus 2a to the power of 4 plus 5 plus 1. Simplify it and you get 2a to the power of 4 plus 6. And this is a long one, but there's no brackets, so we can just collect the like terms. We have 4x squared y, and let's look for its like term. Perfect, 4x squared y. Then we have xy, and we also have negative xy. Well, and we have 3x squared y, which has a like term of 4x squared y, but since these two are cancelling out, we can just write it separate. So now we have these two cancelling out, and xy and negative xy cancelling each other out, and we are left with 3x squared y. And there we go. Now we're going to be moving on to multiplying and dividing monomials. Our first question is 5c cubed times 2c. So we can do this by putting the numbers together. So 5 times 2. And we can put this in brackets. And if remember when we learned exponent laws, we just simply add the exponents when we're multiplying. So 5 times 2, c to the power of 3 plus 1. That's going to give us 10c to the power of 4. There we go. Second question, a little more complicated. 3x squared times 4x cubed times x to the power of 4. Multiply the numbers together. 3 times 4 times 1. Put your variable x and simply add the exponents on top. So 3 times 4 times 1 will be 12. X 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. So 12x to the power of 9 is our answer here. And much more complicated. X to the power of 4 times x to the power of 6 divided by 2x squared. So we'll just simplify this by adding the exponents here. So x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 6 will give us x to the power of 10 divided by 2x squared. So now what we can do is subtract the exponents here. X to the power of 10 divided by x to the power of 2. And we can write it as 1/2. Suppose there's a 1 here. So we can write it 1/2. Then we can write x 10 to the power of 10 minus 2. That will give us 1/2 times x to the power of 8. And there we go. That's all. That's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this video helped you, please be sure to subscribe. That would be really appreciated. And my next lesson will be the distributive law, which includes multiplying binomials, trinomials, and more. So if you want more information on myself or Archimedes Tutor or the lessons I will be uploading in the next few weeks, please visit my website www.archimedestutor.com. Until then, stay tuned to Archimedes Tutor.